Martin Luther King Jr., the dreamer who marched for justice. Martin Luther King Jr. grew up in Atlanta, Georgia, in America where black citizens were denied basic rights simply because of the color of their skin. He could have chosen a quiet life as a pastor, following in his father's footsteps. Instead, he chose to lead a movement. King believed that equality was not something to be requested politely. It had to be demanded peacefully but firmly. Inspired by Gandhi's philosophy of nonviolent resistance, he organized boycotts, sit-ins, and marches across the American South, all while facing arrest, violence, and constant threats to his life. Before we get to the march that changed everything, if you're enjoying these stories of people who stood up for what's right, hit subscribe. It really helps this channel keep going. What set King apart wasn't just his courage. It was his gift for public speaking. He had a rare ability to turn moral conviction into words that moved entire crowds, using rhythm, repetition, and biblical cadence to make injustice impossible to ignore. In 1963, standing before hundreds of thousands of people in Washington, D.C., he described his vision of a future built on justice. A dream of a nation where people will be judged not by the color of their skin, but by the content of their character. King was assassinated in 1968 at just 39 years old. But the movement he built and the words he spoke continue to shape the fight for civil rights long after his death. Vocabulary and context. Dream, a cherished hope or aspiration of equality. The state of being equal, especially in rights and opportunities justice. The quality of being fair and morally right public speaking. The act of delivering speeches to a live audience, often to inform or persuade.